Hi, I'm Jacob, a clinician at National Sleep Therapy. Welcome to the Clinical Education Series.
This segment will explain how to access the SD card on a Philips Respironics System 1 machine that also has a modem module. If your CPAP auto or bi-level machine has a modem feature that connects to your phone line, your machine also has an SD card as a backup data recording device. There may be times when National Sleep Therapy or your doctor will need to retrieve data from the SD card inside of your machine. This Philips Respironics System 1 machine has a modem module attached to the back of the machine, which prevents easy access to the SD card. On the top section of the modem module, there are small rubber pads. Grip those pads with your thumb and forefinger. Apply pressure in a pinching motion and pull the modem straight out of the machine. Now you can see the SD card. Eject the card by pressing in on it with your finger and then releasing it. The SD card will pop out slightly. Pull the card straight out of the SD card slot. To insert your SD card, hold the SD card so that the small blue arrow is facing upwards and in the top left corner. Locate the SD card slot and insert the SD card into it. Press in with your finger, ensuring that the SD card locks into place. Next, slowly and precisely guide the modem module back into your machine. Similar to a dresser drawer, the modem module needs to fit properly on its tracks. Sometimes, inserting the modem module can dislodge the SD card. You should access the device menu to be sure that the device is reading both the SD card and the modem device. Rotate the control wheel to highlight the info option. Press down on the control wheel to select info. You should see two status displays. The first status display is for the modem. If the modem status has a check mark, it is connected successfully to a live phone service. If there is no status for the modem, then it is not connected properly to the CPAP machine. You should remove the modem and reinstall it onto the CPAP machine. If the modem status has an X, it is properly inserted into the CPAP machine, but not connected properly to the phone line. You should check that the modem line is securely fixed in the phone jack. The second status display is for the SD card. If the SD card status displays a small SD card icon, then it is connected successfully. You are now ready to resume use of your CPAP machine. Sometimes, inserting the modem module can dislodge the SD card. If you look for the status display for the SD card and it is not there, then the SD card is not fully inserted and may have been dislodged when inserting the modem. If this is the case, you must remove the modem and reinsert the SD card. To do so, remove the modem device from the CPAP machine again. You will see the SD card is popped out of the SD card slot. Push the SD card back into its slot. Attach the modem module to the CPAP machine by slowly and precisely guiding it. Repeat the process of checking the status of both the modem module and the SD card.